Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to make avocado roti और chapati. दोस्तों इस रेसिपी का सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में भी है, प्लीज चेक कीजिए. Avocado is one amazing fruit which can be included in a lot of recipes. So this is one such recipe which will be really healthy and also tasty. It's very common that all of us get bored of eating same old plain rotis and chapatis every day. So this is the best way you can make it more interesting for cooking and also for the people you're making it for. It also gives great satisfaction when you make something tasty and healthy for your loved ones like this. Now let's get started and check out the recipe. I have taken 2 ripened avocados, cut it into cubes and mashing it nicely using a fork. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 chopped green chilli, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon hing, salt as per taste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice and 2 cups of wheat flour. Give it a nice mix and prepare a soft dough by kneading it well. I'm adding water as required. Use lukewarm water, and also preparing this dough will not require much water. So my soft dough is ready. I'm just going to cover it with a moist cloth and keep it aside for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, knead it once before rolling out the chapatis. I'm taking a small ball size dough. You can dust some dry flour and roll out the chapati as thin as possible. Now let's transfer it on a tawa and cook it well on both sides. Avocado roti or chapati can be cooked with very less oil. I'm going to add few drops of oil to cook it nicely on both sides. I'm using avocado oil. You can use ghee or normal oil as well. You can serve these rotis or chapatis with sabzi of your choice or also with simple curd and pickle. Our avocado roti or chapati is ready. I'm serving it with instant tomato pickle. Avocado rotis will be really soft. It's a great lunchbox recipe. Can be made for breakfast, lunch or dinner. You can even pack it for your travel. Hope you have liked this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and leave a comment in a comment section below. And thank you for watching the video. Have an amazing day.